Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good morning so far. It is Thursday, September the 26th. We're about 1 minute away from the open here. I wanted to show you the daily frame, guys. The bulls are very much back in charge here on the NASDAQ and the S&P. All-time highs on the S&P here, and we are in this clean traffic area now. We've finally broken above this key resistance area right here, and we are traveling upwards. Two very strong up days on the daily and bullish bodies, of course, as well. But this is a big candle, guys, as it is on the S&P as well. Let me take you over to show you coming in here into the New York session. Take you actually to the 30-minute chart. You can see this huge rally, about 400 points here, guys, from down here yesterday in the New York session and then all overnight through the Asian session. A little pullback initially on the UK session, just a little pause really, and then rallying again into this little resistance area here that goes way back many days to July 17th, guys, approximately thereabouts anyway. Watching now, guys, we are open on the New York session. There's the 1 minute chart, VWAP, volume weighted average price, the two sisters, NASDAQ and S&P side by side with two standard deviation bands as always. The first 1 minute is, we're only 20 seconds into the first 1 minute. We'll wait till that closes and we'll have the 1 minute open range. Onto my power grid, which is right here. There's the daily again, guys. Very bullish picture. There's the 30-minute chart on the bottom left-hand side, and we are dropping down here, pulling back on the 1 minute chart. I'm going to slide down to the 30-second chart here, guys, for some more surgical detail. Been doing that more lately just because of the way price action has been, but I'll often flick back and forth between the 1 minute chart and the 30-second chart just to get a more rounded picture. Very minor zone here on the 30-minute chart, guys, from this little tiny pause, a little pullback here in the UK session. This could be blown through very easily. Going to try to be patient here, guys. We are on VWAP on the S&P. We are above VWAP on the NASDAQ. I'm going to cut out dead air, guys, sideways grinding action, non-teaching moments, things of that nature. I'm going to avoid telling you what I'm not doing. I think I spent a little too much time doing that after you have nearly 1,000 videos to watch on that front. I'm going to bring you back when I do something instead, unless I feel that there's a key speaking point about not doing something. Like, for instance, right now, I am not jumping in just because we have broken below the open range. There will be some mixed messages if we drop down hard here because we have this daily bullish picture. We have an extended 30-minute chart, of course, and it means extended on the daily as well. So certainly ripe for some kind of a pullback here, but a little hard to sell into something here just because we're pulling back or breaking down below open range. And so I likely won't be doing that unless I have a better structural reason for doing so. All right, guys, just watching here. There's nothing for me to do. After a big trending move like we had overnight through the Asian and the London session, it's absolutely normal to expect that we're going to consolidate here, maybe pull back a little bit, or sideways grind for much of, if not the entire New York session. Anything could happen here. There could be a big reversal here today, all kinds of interesting things. And dropping down now, guys. That might have been a nice little entry there, but I did not take it. A little bit leery here to sell into such a strong move here this morning. Just watching, not chasing, guys, not chasing on this. I'm okay to sit out and do nothing today if necessary. So being so extended, it is normal to expect a pullback. I'm just not convinced that I want to trade off of the pullback yet, unless we get some more structural integrity here first. Alright, guys, on this fairly aggressive drop here on the 30-minute chart, just going to play with a marker here. This is not an order, not live yet. Imaginary stop above this candle. Just measuring. All right, moving my order up. All right, this order is live, guys. This order is live. Sell stop order. Stop above the pivot. Dynamically shifting and dancing with this one along with you. Patience now. Moving my order up to below these two candles right there, leaving my stop where it was, inside of the open range. Patience. And I'm in, guys, and I'm in. Short the NASDAQ. Trend continuation, market open play. Impulse, corrective, impulse, corrective, impulse, corrective. Nice orderly pullback on the 30-second chart into the 21 EMA. Extended move up, guys. Overnight, as I mentioned. Due for a pullback. We got that structural integrity. We're ready to go. All right, guys, watching now and done. I was about to move my stop to break even and then hit the target. Thanks for being here, guys. Trend continuation, market open play, extended daily, extended 30-minute, of course. Looking for some kind of a pullback here. Did not take the initial break. That wasn't enough structure for me. Had these impulse and correctives versus nice orderly pullback, tagging the 21 EMA on the 30-second chart and then breaking down below. A little bit of grinding action, but eventually hit the targets. Thanks for being here. Have an amazing day. We'll talk soon.